Today, we will buy a car under $1,000, including parts and repairs, and then show you how to make it look and drive the best possible. So, buckle up and get ready for a wild ride. It's a 2008 Buick LaCrosse CXL with a V6 3.8-liter engine. And it's only $700, which is well within our budget. The brakes needed some attention. Today, I will show you how to replace the brakes and rotors on your car. You must jack up your vehicle and remove the wheel to get started. Once you've removed the wheel, you'll see the brake caliper and rotor. The caliper is held in place by 2 bolts, which you'll need to remove to get the caliper off. Once you've removed the caliper, you can remove the old brake pads and the rotor. Your brakes and rotors are some of the most important components of your car's braking system, and they need to be in good working order to keep you safe on the road. Now, it's time to install the new rotor. Before you install the new rotor, you'll want to clean it with brake cleaner to remove any oils or residue from the manufacturing process. Now it's time to install the new brake pads. You'll need to push the piston back into the caliper using a brake piston tool or a C-clamp. Once the rotor is clean, you can slide it onto the hub and secure it in place with the retaining screws. Once the piston is pushed back, you can install the new brake pads. Make sure they're seated correctly in the caliper. Now it's time to install the caliper back onto the rotor. Make sure you torque the bolts to the manufacturer's specifications. Finally, you'll want to pump the brakes a few times to ensure everything is seated correctly and working properly. And that's it. You've successfully replaced the brakes and rotors on your car. Remember, keeping your brakes and rotors in good working order is important to ensure your safety on the road. If you're uncomfortable doing this yourself, take your car to a qualified mechanic. And now, let's take the car for a spin and see how it performs. And as you can see, the car runs excellently, and the brakes work perfectly. We took a car for under $1,000, made some repairs, and now it looks and runs excellent. And as you can see, the car is looking and running much better now. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.